Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer a explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious in this one, but quite the eventful day. I mean, price action all over the place, and then this was all occurring on well above average volume. And to give credit where credit's due, I mean, the price did put this together themselves a nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, however, then the price was able to bounce back up to that area of the chart. Definitely an impressive bounce, but now it's a question of, is the price going to be able to build upon this momentum, or is the price going to kind of just drift right back to where it was? And in my mind, a very important level of support going into Friday and then next week is right there at $2.50. If you go through the history of the chart, a whole lot of data points. So right there, acted as support. And then last 30 minutes of the day, sure didn't quite hit it, but it's sitting right at that level. And I should note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part where nobody else has taken notice of this. Now, I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of 250, and they're wondering the same things I am. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it a scam, call it whatever you want. I mean, that can produce some very dynamic price movements. So, and that's just because a lot of people are going to be watching and wondering, can that level actually hold as support? If it does not hold as support, then, I'm not saying this is, the price is going to drop down to that area, but the next level of support, not until 230. So again, let me say that again, if that level falls, I'm not saying within 2 minutes the price is down there. My point is that when you look back to the chart, as far as supports are concerned, there just simply isn't anything in this area of the chart. It just opens up again. So like I said, that's why maybe not in a couple minutes, but within over the course of several days, would not be shocking to see at all the price drift down to 230, if not lower, if the 250 mark fails. But so far so good. The price is holding up above it. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, from the overarching point of view, just watch that purple line up there. That is the famous 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So yes, right now it's valued at 284, but that value is going to go down as the days play out, because that line, like I said, is a moving average. So therefore it'll move and change, as Friday and then next week play out. But all in all, impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon it? So let's see if the price can stay up above 250 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.